Hi, welcome to Hudson's room. I just wanted to do a little more of an in-depth look at the room. It's really conveniently purchased online, especially because we put this pretty much all together during quarantine. But basically I'm just going to take you through and let you know where I got everything from, and then I'll put links under the video. Hudson, you want to give the tour? Okay. Basically you walk in, it's a pretty nice size room for his age, I would say. But we're used to New York, so if people can relate to that. So the back wall, I pretty much decided to just do some Mickey appliques. I did individually stick everyone on. You can really do this any way you want. You can kind of put it all over the place, do it more creatively, but I really kind of wanted to eye out, space everything out. And it just kind of worked out. Even if I was a little bit off, you can't really tell. It just kind of goes together. We had also purchased this big giant Mickey on Amazon as well, and originally had it in the living room, but it was just a little too much, and I wasn't really going for a Disney theme in every single room of the house. Love Mickey, but yeah. I also, if you notice, I didn't want to go the traditional red, yellow, and bright route in here. I kind of thought maybe the toys would speak for themselves, and they kind of do bring everything out. Basically this big giant head we purchased from Amazon, and all of these other toys we've kind of acquired, these stuffed animals we've kind of acquired from family members. He's got everything. He actually picked this one out. The gold specific Mickey's got a Band-Aid during various trips to the Disney store. See, show them your favorite one. That's your Pluto, right? Okay, and this was actually a gift from one of my husband's friends. It projects onto the wall. Pretty cool. We have some acrylic bookshelves that I also got from Amazon, and I'll link all the prices below. Nothing's very expensive. A couple books that we got from Amazon. Very, very cute. Just a basic wastebasket, and again, it's we're gonna add a couple more things. If you have any suggestions, I'm probably gonna maybe put a little art desk or something over there, maybe some more bookshelves. Down little window area. His closet, which I'll do at another point because it's pretty much a mess, but has all his clothes in there. You see him lounging there eating his granola bar. But yeah, the sheets were really cool. They came pretty quickly off of Amazon. They just have Mickey motif. Literally everything is Mickey. The flat sheet you see under there have a little pad for how toddlers are. Okay, I can link that too if anybody's interested. So you don't have to clean the whole set if they have an accident. And then we have just the fitted as also Mickey motif from the same artist. I'm considering definitely putting a bed skirt, I think, under, maybe something black and white striped or whatever, but we'll see. But anyway, that is a really, really quick rundown of the room. Yeah, just wanted to let you guys know. These shorts that Huddy's wearing, this one, they're from Target. I got yesterday, and of course, it has cute Mickey on it. Really, really cheap. He's got barbecue sauce all over it. His socks, I'm gonna link those too because they've been a lifesaver. I just, the grippy ones for toddlers is a lifesaver, just in case they fall or whatever. His little lunch hat I got from Target. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. But anyway, if you guys like tours like this, let me know and I can put up more room tours. And as he grows, it won't be too hard to take the little stickers down and if we're still here, and just put whatever he wants up. All right, make sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications for more tours.